Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren says state and central forces deployed in 38 vulnerable foothill areas. CM hopeful of Amit Shah's May 29 visit to restore normalcy in Manipur. Ahead of Union Home Minister Amit Shah's Manipur visit, sources says Ministry of Home Affairs mulling strong actions against leaders and cadres of cookie outfits under suspension of operation. United Union Minister of State for Home Affairs Nityanand Rai calls on Governor Anusuya Uike, extends all support in restoring peace and normalcy in Manipur. JDU Manipur Unit Chief Spokesperson Dr. Nimai Chand Luang says Union Home Minister Amit Shah's Manipur visit too late, not much expected during his short visit. State security forces and suspected armed cookie militants engage in heavy exchange of fire at Chirachandpur and Vishnupur district adjoining areas. Irate people stormed Union Minister Dr. R.K. Ranjan's residence in Imphal East, condemning failure to take swift actions against 10 cookie MLAs who demanded separate administration. And miscreants burned down and vandalized Manipur Mountaineering Institute complex. Lamdand mountaineers condemned government and security's failure to take timely action.